Hey guys, welcome to my first unboxing vlog. And for this video, we are going to unbox Moza Mini S, which I got from Lazada for 2,800 pesos or around that price. I bought it last June 6th with their sale. So I'll just speed things up and remove the packaging completely so you can see the contents already. This is how the box looks like. It's very simple, just like any typical tech box that you would see. Here there are Chinese labels with some photos. You could just decipher it. I don't understand it, but yeah, I don't think it's very important. So this is one look of the box. Here at the back side, you could see illustrations of the contents of the box, and here, yeah, so here are the manuals, which are in Chinese, and yeah, here is the stickers which you could put on the device or on the box or wherever you want to put it. And here is the tripod, which is still packed. I'm just gonna open it there. So this is the tripod which you could put at the bottom part of the stabilizer, so you could just let it stand and let it just follow you with the follow mode. Yep. And here is the cord for the charger, so you could charge it. It doesn't have like an adapter, but yeah, that's the wire for it. Here is another wire so you could connect your device, and this one right here is the pouch that comes along with the stabilizer, where you could put it and you could just pack it in here when you're going to travel, so you don't have to bring the whole box. This is the pouch for it. Now here is the Moza Mini S itself, and this is how it looks like when out of the box, and it's also how it should look like when you keep it. So here is a quick guide on how to properly open it, the Moza Mini S. So you have to pull this switch and lock switch here and twist it gently like that, and now it's ready to use. Just have to turn it on, but I didn't turn it on, so yeah, that's how you do it properly. On the other hand, this is how you properly close it. First, you have to make sure that this is aligned, and then pull the unlock switch and then twist it gently like this to make sure those three are aligned. Yes, so there you have it. That's how you keep it. Now you could just pack it and bring it to your next travel, or just keep it however you want to do it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye, like and subscribe.